In this video, we are diving into the topic of 7 pickup trucks that won't last 30,000 miles. Have you ever imagined that you are likely to experience an engine failure before 30,000 miles? How long are you willing to endure with poor reliability? Why spend thousands on a pickup truck that starts falling apart before hitting 13,000 miles? Don't waste your hard-earned money. Stick around as we uncover the truth behind these pickup trucks. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge you need to make an informed decision and choose a pickup truck that will stand the test of time. Let's get started. Number 7. Chevrolet Colorado. The Chevrolet Colorado has gained popularity as a compact pickup truck, known for its versatility and capability. However, many owners have reported specific issues that can lead to early failure, raising concerns about its long-term reliability. One of the most common problems is related to the transmission, with numerous drivers experiencing rough shifting and, in some cases, complete transmission failure. According to various owner surveys, nearly 20% of Colorado owners have reported transmission-related issues within the first few years of ownership. Another significant concern is the truck's electrical system. Many users have noted problems with the dashboard lights flickering or malfunction, which can be both frustrating and potentially dangerous. Additionally, issues with the fuel system, such as fuel pump failures, have been documented, leading to unexpected breakdowns. In terms of reliability, the Chevrolet Colorado has received mixed reviews. While some sources rate it very well, others indicate that it falls short compared to competitors in the same class. The lifespan of the Colorado can vary widely, with some owners reporting issues as early as 30,000 miles, while others have managed to push it beyond 100,000 miles with proper maintenance. Moreover, there have been several recalls associated with Colorado, particularly concerning the airbag system and potential fuel leaks. These recalls highlight the importance of staying informed about any significant repairs or updates that may affect the vehicle's safety and performance. Overall, while the Chevrolet Colorado has its strengths, potential buyers should be aware of these common issues to make an informed decision. Number 6. Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger has long been a favorite among pickup truck enthusiasts, but recent models have raised concerns about their longevity, with many owners reporting issues that could prevent them from lasting beyond 13,000 miles. One of the most frequent mechanical failures associated with the Ranger is the engine, particularly the turbocharged 4-cylinder variant. Owners have noted problems such as excessive oil consumption and engine knocking, which can lead to costly repairs and early engine failure. User reviews paint a mixed picture of the Ranger's durability. While some drivers praise its performance and handling, others express frustration over recurring issues. Many have reported problems with the transmission, including rough shifting and unexpected slipping, which can significantly impact the driving experience. In fact, a notable percentage of users have experienced these issues within the first few years of ownership, raising red flags about the truck's reliability. Additionally, design flaws have been identified that contribute to the Ranger's short lifespan. For instance, the placement of certain components can make repairs more challenging and expensive. The truck's suspension system has also been criticized for being less robust than competitors, leading to premature wear and tear, especially for those who frequently drive on rough terrain. Overall, while the Ford Ranger has its merits, potential buyers should be cautious and consider these frequent mechanical failures, user experiences, and design flaws that could hinder its longevity. Being informed can help you make a more educated decision when choosing your next pickup truck. Number 5. Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 has established itself as a popular choice among full-size pickup trucks, but it has also garnered a reputation for not lasting as long as some of its competitors. One of the most common issues leading to early breakdowns in the Ram 1500 is related to its transmission. Many owners have reported problems such as slipping gears and harsh shifting, which can significantly affect the truck's performance and longevity. Additionally, engine issues, particularly with the 5.7-liter HEMI V8, have been noted, including oil leaks and excessive oil consumption. Automotive experts have weighed in on the Ram 1500's reliability, often highlighting these mechanical concerns. While some models have received praise for their comfort and tool capabilities, the recurring issues have led to mixed reviews regarding their overall durability. In fact, several reliability ratings place the Ram 1500 lower than its rivals, indicating that potential buyers should proceed with caution. Maintenance challenges also play a significant role in the Ram 1500's lifespan. Owners frequently report that certain components, such as the suspension and electrical systems, require more frequent attention than expected. This can lead to higher maintenance costs and increased downtime for repairs. Furthermore, the complexity of some systems can make DIY repairs daunting for many owners, pushing them to seek professional help more often. Overall, while the Ram 1500 offers many appealing features, its reputation for not lasting long is supported by common issues, expert insights, and maintenance challenges that potential buyers should consider carefully. Number 4. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier has been a reliable choice for many compact truck enthusiasts, but it has also faced longevity concerns that potential buyers should be aware of. One of the most prevalent mechanical problems reported by owners is related to the truck's transmission. Many users have experienced issues such as rough shifting and, in some cases, complete transmission failure, which can lead to costly repairs and a shortened lifespan. Additionally, engine problems, particularly with the V6 models, have been noted, including oil leaks and overheating, which can further compromise the vehicle's durability. Feedback from long-term users of the Nissan Frontier reveals a mixed bag of experiences. While some owners appreciate the truck's ruggedness and off-road capabilities, others have expressed frustration over recurring mechanical issues that have arisen after just a few years of ownership. Many have reported that these problems often require significant repairs, leading to increased maintenance costs and downtime. Safety concerns have also been raised regarding the Nissan Frontier, with several recalls issues over the years. Notable recalls have included issues with the airbag system and potential fuel leaks, which can pose serious risks to drivers and passengers. These recalls highlight the importance of staying informed about any safety-related updates that may affect the vehicle. Overall, while the Nissan Frontier has its strengths, potential buyers should carefully consider the mechanical problems, user feedback, and safety concerns that could impact its longevity and overall reliability. Number 3. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma has long been celebrated for its reliability and off-road capabilities, but it is not without its issues that may lead to early failure. While many owners report positive experiences, reliability ratings for the Tacoma have shown some inconsistencies. Common complaints from Tacoma owners often revolve around transmission problems, particularly with automatic transmission, which can exhibit rough shifting or hesitation. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the truck's rear differential, leading to unusual noises and performance concerns. Known defects that could affect the Tacoma's lifespan include problems with the frame rusting, especially in older models, This issue has prompted recalls and has raised concerns about the structural integrity of the vehicle over time. Furthermore, some owners have experienced issues with the vehicle's electrical system, including malfunctioning dashboard lights and problems with the infotainment system, which can be frustrating and may require costly repairs when compared to other trucks in the same category, such as the Ford Ranger and Chevrolet Colorado. Tacoma generally holds its ground in terms of resale value and brand reputation. However, the competition has been catching up with some newer models offering better reliability ratings and fewer reported issues. Overall, while the Toyota Tacoma remains a popular choice for many, potential buyers should be aware of the common complaints and known defects that could impact its longevity, especially when comparing it to other trucks in its class. Number 2. GMC Canyon. The GMC Canyon has carved out a niche in the compact pickup truck market, but it has also faced scrutiny regarding its potential for early breakdowns. Owners have reported several specific issues that can impact the truck's longevity. One of the most common complaints involves the transmission, with many drivers experiencing rough shifting and, in some cases, complete transmission failure. Additionally, engine problems, particularly with the V6 models, have been noted, including oil leaks and overheating, which can lead to significant repair costs. Expert opinions on the GMC Canyon's overall durability are mixed. While some automotive reviewers praise its comfortable ride and upscale interior, others highlight the recurring mechanical issues that can plague the vehicle. These concerns have led to a perception that the Canyon may not be as reliable as some of its competitors, which can deter potential buyers looking for a dependable truck. When comparing the GMC Canyon to its competitors, such as the Toyota Tacoma and Ford Ranger, the Canyon often falls short in terms of reliability ratings, while the Tacoma is frequently lauded for its long-lasting performance. The Canyon has received more complaints regarding mechanical failures. Overall, while the GMC Canyon has its appealing features, potential buyers should carefully consider the specific issues reported by owners, expert opinions on its durability, and how it stacks up against competitors in the compact truck segment. Number 1. Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator has made waves in the pickup truck market, but it hasn't been without its share of reliability issues. Many owners have reported specific problems, particularly with the vehicle's transmission and electrical systems. Complaints about rough shifting and unexpected stalling have raised concerns among users, leading to frustration for those who rely on this truck for daily tasks. Statistics reveal that a significant number of Gladiator owners have experienced issues within the first 30,000 miles. In fact, a survey indicated that nearly 20% of Gladiator owners reported problems related to engine performance and drivetrain components early in their ownership. Testimonials from users often highlight their disappointment, with some stating that they had to visit the dealership multiple times for repairs. Additionally, the Gladiator has faced recalls that further underscore its reliability concerns. Notably, there have been recalls related to faulty rear-view cameras and potential fuel leaks, which pose safety risks. These issues not only affect the truck's longevity but also raise questions about its overall safety and dependability. As we explore the Jeep Gladiator, it's clear that potential buyers should weigh these reliability concerns carefully before making a purchase. After introducing these 7 pickup trucks, which one surprised you the most? Or which pickup truck had already gotten you into the trouble? Comment below and share your real experience.